Hello everyone, today we're going to make restaurant style Seekh Kebab in a frying pan. These are crunchy from outside and nice and moist from inside. I will show you two ways how you can make this, so let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I washed 1 kilo of beef and made keema at home in my food processor. The reason I do this is to make sure my keema is dry. If you're using ready-made minced beef or mutton, make sure you wash and dry it thoroughly. The keema should be as dry as possible. I have grated 2 large onions. With the help of a strainer, try to remove as much as water as possible from the onion. Adding 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of green chili paste, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1½ tablespoon of ginger paste, 1½ tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2½ teaspoon of salt or add as desired, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, ½ cup of chopped coriander leaves. To increase the fat content and making it more juicy, add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. Adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will absorb any excess moisture in the mixture. Mix everything together. To give a restaurant-like barbecue taste, place an ignited charcoal in the middle. Add oil and cover it with the lid. Once it stops smoking, remove it. Now you can use literally anything to make this seekh. I didn't have any skewers, so I'm using this sort of a knife sharpening tool to make the seekh. Using your hands, press the keema and form a seekh. To make it stick, damp your hands with little water and then press on the keema. Once done, place it directly in the frying pan. Add oil. Flip once the bottom side is cooked. Another way is you take a stick and you press the mixture on it. The trick here is that you keep the layer thin. And again, damp your hands with water and then press on the keema and it will stick nicely. See, if you do it as I showed you, it will not fall off. Fry it on a medium heat. Once it's done, you may see some gaps in your seekh. That is okay because the meat is shrinking. Don't worry, the meat will not fall off the stick. Our tasty Seekh Kebab is ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.